Good evening, everybody. Cash here from Brickcase. Got a brand new 2026 GV70 in the Sport Prestige model. This is one of the ways you can tell the GV70 Sport Prestige has these blacked out wheels. Good looking overall. And this one has the orange stitching on the inside. Good looking vehicle. Love the splash of color on the inside. What the seats look like with the leather. Full leather seats this year. No more of the dual mesh pattern. But good looking car. I'll do some reviews here shortly for you. Just want to get you a first look. That's what the front end looks like for you guys. As always, if you have any questions, give me a ring, 603-858-4511. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.